Hello friends, today we will study information technology generations of computer which are very important for all competitive examination. So let's start. There were 5 generations of computers. First generation computers. These computers were available during 1940 to 1956. These computers used vacuum tubes as electronic component, and these computers were in very large size and generates lots of heat. High electricity consumption. They were very expensive to operate. These computers used machine language, which was very low level programming language. These computers operate in a very slow mode. Examples of first generation computers are UNIVAC 1, ENIAC, Mark 1 and IDSAC. Second generation computers. These computers were available during 1956 to 1963. Transistors were used in place of vacuum tubes as electronic component. Second generation computers were used high-level languages like COBOL, Fortran. Second generation computers were more reliable and smaller than first generation computers, and they generate less heat. These computers were faster than first generation computers. During this generation, invention of magnetic core for storage, there was development of magnetic disk storage, and second generation computers required less power to operate. Examples are IBM 700, Atlas, IBM 1620, IBM 1401, ICL 1901, CDC 1604, CDC 3600, IBM 1402. Third generation computers. Third generation computers were available during 1964 to 1971. Third generation computers used integrated circuits as electronic component. Other high-level languages like Fortran 4, COBOL 68 were developed. Online systems like airline reservation were emerged during third generation computers. There was development of mini computers during this generation. Third generation computers were more faster and smaller than previous generation computers, so they were more reliable. Small scale integration technology were used during this period. Medium scale integration technology were used. Examples are IBM 360, 370 and HP 3000. Fourth generation computers. Duration is 1971 to till present. Large scale and very large scale integrated circuits were used. There was development of microprocessor or personal computers during this period. Fourth generation computers are very user friendly as they used user friendly softwares. Application development by users. There was many apps which are developed during this period. Use of RAID technology for data storage. These computers are in compact size, but there was faster speed of processing. Examples are IBM PC, Apple Macintosh. Fifth generation computers. These computers are available now and also in the future. These computers are based on artificial intelligences which are still in development. These computers are used in parallel processing, speech recognition, and intelligent robots. If you find my video helpful for you, then please share and subscribe. Thank you.